This method can help answer key questions in 3-5 silicon integrated solar cell fabrication about how to maintain a high silicon bulk lifetime during the growth.
The main advantages of this process are that we can achieve a long silicon bulk lifetime, even after heterovalent growth of a gallium phosphide carrier-selective contact on silicon. This allows us to access the band gaps of other 3-5 semiconductors to form a multi-junction solar cell with a silicon bottom cell.
To begin, prepare a piranha solution in a high-density polyethylene acid heating bath, heating it to 110 degrees Celsius, and wait for the temperature to stabilize. In another acid bath, prepare a diluted hydrochloric acid and hydrogen peroxide solution for removing ionic contamination, heating it to 74 degrees Celsius, and waiting for the temperature to stabilize. Place 4-inch diameter, float zone N-type double-side polished silicon wafers in a clean polypropylene 4-inch wafer cassette. Soak the wafers in piranha solution for 10 minutes. Then, rinse the wafers for 10 minutes with deionized water. And put them in a clean cassette. Soak the wafers in the ionic cleaning solution for 10 minutes. And then rinse them with deionized water for 10 minutes. Then, soak the wafers in a buffered oxide etch solution of 10:1 ammonium fluoride to hydrofluoric acid for 3 minutes at room temperature, and rinse them with